Are you looking for info about Santa Monica air conditioning services? Here we are. We deal with AC and HVAC installation, maintenance, and repair every day, and we understand that a reliable AC or HVAC unit is crucial to your comfort. The first mistake is choosing the cheapest option. It often leads to poor service. Instead, focus on quality and reliability. Yes, quality comes at a price, not necessarily expensive, and quality service and repairs will last longer than quick, cheap fixes. To avoid this, research customer reviews and ask for recommendations to ensure you're getting good value. Also, make sure that your AC technician is qualified and preferably certified. Another common mistake is neglecting routine HVAC maintenance. This can lead to costly repairs down the line. We recommend having your HVAC or AC united serviced 1 to 2 times every year for prolonged and reliable functioning of your unit. To prevent unexpected issues, as mentioned, schedule regular maintenance checks to keep your system running smoothly. Lastly, ignoring the signs of trouble can be detrimental. Listen to your AC. Unusual noises are a calling for help. AC problems include refrigerant leaks, condensation drainage problems, a frozen condenser coil, a dirty air filter, a dirty evaporator coil, and low refrigerant level, to name just a few. All of these problems will impact your AC unit, resulting in, for instance, deteriorated cooling. When you notice anything unusual, contact a professional AC technician immediately to avoid bigger issues later. Unless you know what you're doing, don't try and fix it yourself. Stay safe and call. One of the most frequently asked questions is, what should I do in case of an HVAC or AC emergency? Your best option and quickest route to a solution is to call a professional HVAC technician immediately. The next question is, how often should I service my AC? Lastly, people ask, what are the signs I need a replacement? Look for inconsistent cooling or relatively high energy bills. These can indicate that your AC or HVAC unit is coming to the end of its life cycle. Proper maintenance can actually lead to a longer lifetime for your AC. Don't overlook that, please. If you encounter these issues, consider consulting us for an HVAC replacement quote. Call us now at 424-487-5512 and we will fix your air conditioning problem. Visit hvacservicessantamonica.com.